Today we're gonna see how to buy and sell on Dex Screener. Firstly, go to Dex Screener, then use the search bar to find the token pair. Click on the trading pair to open its detailed analytics page. On the bottom right of the chart, click Trade on Uniswap or Trade on PancakeSwap or other DEX depending on the token's network. This opens the trading interface within Dex Screener or redirects you to the DEX. Now click Connect Wallet, then use MetaMask, Wallet Connect or other supported wallet, then approve the connection. Now choose how much of the base token you want to swap. The interface will automatically calculate the amount of the new token you'll receive. Just click Swap, then Confirm. Your wallet will open a transaction preview. Click the gas fees, token amount, and slippage, then confirm the transactions. To sell tokens at the bottom right of the chart, click Trade or Sell. You'll be taken to a DEX interface like Uniswap or PancakeSwap. Follow the same steps as connecting your wallet and hold the token you want to sell in your wallet. Enter the amount, then click Swap or Sell. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.